Hey friends, today we are doing page 164 and 165. And we have some kind of like riddles here on this page. It's called Who Am I? So you're going to try to solve the riddle. It's going to be fun. All right, let's go. Number 1. Every day has 24 of me. Every day has 24 of me. So I'm going to look at my spelling words on the side. They typically do not use the review or challenge, okay, for this section. You will down here. So I'm going to look down my list. Whole, it's, here, one, hour, ding, 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 hour. Every day has 24 of me. So hour was our answer for that one. Okay? So read the little riddle and find the word that goes with it. When you get down here, you have to explain the meaning of peace and peace. So what I would do is I would write both of them on the line and just give me your description of what they mean. Everybody's might be slightly different, and that is okay. Tell me what those two words mean. And when you are done with that, meet me on the next page, which also looks pretty fun. All right, we are going to be talking about idioms on this page. You can see that word right up at the top. And you are going to, if you don't know what an idiom is, you are going to learn. Okay, so here's our word. Can you say idiom? Write the meaning of each idiom below. So the definition of an idiom is an expression that you hear, but it doesn't always mean that literally. So if I say it, okay, for instance, it doesn't really mean exactly what it says there. So I'm going to give you an example. Let's look at this one. It says, head in the clouds. If I say, my son has his head in the clouds, what does that really mean? Okay, think about that. And some of these are going to be expressions that you've heard before. If somebody has their head in the clouds, it means that they're not paying attention. Okay. Write that down. So you're just going to write a short description of what you think it means. And up above in the directions, it says you can also find the meanings by looking up the word head in the dictionary. So you could use your iPad, go to dictionary.com, look up the word head, and you would find some of these in there. Okay, you might also know them. All right, so let's look at this next one. It says, please keep your head. Is that if I wanted to put that in a sentence, I would say, please keep your head in the test. Okay, that means you're trying to focus on what you're doing. Keep your head. Stay calm and focused. And you may have heard a parent or someone say some of these. Okay, the next one is don't lose your head. So if it's the middle of a storm and you're very worried about something, someone might say, don't lose your head over this. Okay, so think about what you could write there. What does that mean? And you might have heard this one too, over your head. If you're at school and you don't understand something, they might say, this is over your head. Okay, so write what that means. This one I know you've heard. It says, let's get a head start. What does that really mean? If I want to get a head start on something, what does that mean in your own words? Okay. And then down below, choose one idiom from above and write it. I'm going to say that we just need to write one sentence, okay? So you don't do number 2. You can use both lines if you want to. So you're going to choose one of the idioms and put it in a sentence. Maybe you want to use get a head start. So put it in a sentence. I got a head start on my science project, okay? Something like that. So that is your page 165, and then you are done for today.